Hello guys, thanks for joining here with Trading for Everyone. In today's video I'm going to be explaining to you the difference between UGAZ and DGAZ and what it means that they are ETNs that are leveraged and inverse and correlated ETN. Well, first of all I'm going to set up the two charts that I really like to have in my trading account, and that's DGAZ and natural gas. What's that? Why is that? It's because natural gas is the correlating future, the future that the UGAZ and DGAZ change. Here I have it's set up that in this thread and this thread, that means if I change from UGAZ to DGAZ, the price automatically change. Well, here we have UGAZ. UGAZ is the correlated ETN. What it means is that if natural gas pushed up, UGAZ follows, and if natural gas pushed down, UGAZ follows. So we have to buy when natural gas goes up, we buy UGAZ, and when natural gas goes down, we buy DGAZ. So we sell off UGAZ. But well, I'm going to set up the 180-day 4-hour chart, and well, just first of all, remember that trading off leverage ETNs means that we don't have to hold on for the long term, because as we can see here, we can see that natural gas was going up in an uptrend channel, and we can see that UGAZ was not going up in an uptrend channel. It was going up, but in an ascending triangle. What that means is that UGAZ goes down whatever natural gas price does. That means that if natural gas goes up, UGAZ will go up, but if natural gas goes down, UGAZ will go down more than natural gas. What it means is that because they are leveraged, price tends to go down in time. So if you just open a trade on UGAZ and perhaps close it on 5 years from now, and you're going to see natural gas perhaps is up 100%, but UGAZ is down, and you say, but why is that? That is because of this price going up. Here, high, high, high. They are all be higher highs. Here you have a high, high, high. They are not higher highs. They are just kind of a head and shoulders or whatever. But what I really tell you in my other videos is that you don't have to follow price action on UGAZ and all DGAZ. You have to follow price action on natural gas. Natural gas will go up if the commodity is strong, but UGAZ will go up like temporarily. The price of UGAZ will tend to go to zero. That's what it means. If natural gas just trades like horizontally, UGAZ will go down. That's what it means. Because if natural gas just continue to trade sideways, UGAZ will go down. That's how it works. As you can see here, it was going up, down, and reaching the same highs. And here it didn't reach the same highs. It go up, and then the other time it didn't push up to the same level. The same as here. It pushed up to the same level and surpassed it. Here it didn't even push up to the same level. So it's just not a good technique to buy and hold these ETNs. But they are good to short trade. Sorry, to day trade. In this, that's what it means is that you buy the ticker and you hold it during the day, and then you close the trade before the market closes. For that, they are really good because they are leveraged. I'm going to be explaining that in a moment. And they are also good for holding them in during some days, perhaps a week. For example, here we can see that it was going up almost 15 days. So that's, as you can see here, it's 100% profit in 15 days. So on 20 days, that's amazing. However, we can see that following that period, we saw a period that it went down 50% in the same amount of time. So that's really controversial. You don't have to hold the trade on UGAZ or on DGAZ. Also, UGAZ, as I told you, will go down for during time, but that doesn't mean that UGAZ will go up. It means that both are going to go down. They are both trying to reach the 0 point. So that's why price is really going down over time. Because if you see the 3-year 1 week on UGAZ, you see that, well, here I don't know why the SMA line is on the 11,000, because price was never there, but you can see here the price was on this $524, and now it's trading at $9. So that's a 99% loss almost. So that's not good to trade for and to hold the trade. But well, now we're going to put here DGAZ. We're going to hold and put DGAZ here. So we have DGAZ and UGAZ. These are the inverse ETN. So what that means is that if here we see that price is going up, it's because here we see the price is going down. So well, here we can see that price was following this kind of pattern and this kind of support, and then it broke here and continued going up. I uploaded a video 2 days ago about price going up and down, and why I was surprised for this breaking of pattern on natural gas, and why I closed the trade, and what I see potential right now. But well, here we can see that price is going up on DGAZ. It has pushed up 100% in just a matter of a month or so. That's amazing. But what I always will tell you is, now you say, yeah, it's really overextended, I'm going to be buying UGAZ, and we see, yeah, it's 50% loss on DGAZ, and here on UGAZ it could be a 100% profit, but it could also be 50% loss. So that's not good. It's not good to make a trade if you are going to accept that you are perhaps going to lose half of the position. That's insane. So, well, just what I believe is that DGAZ, it has been amazing right now. As you can see here, you can see that price was really bullish on DGAZ. Well, that's what it means, is that on natural gas was bullish, but well, it's just kind of consolidating. I know it's a really big consolidation, but price is trying to consolidate. If we put here natural gas, we can see that price is going up in this channel of some month. But if we put a yearly chart, we can see that price went down and it's trying to consolidate, and it's trading right around this general area right here. Sorry. And it's just 30% up, 30% down. So what that means is that price is kind of, we don't know what will happen to price. That's what I would say. I would say that price is really, it's really sketchy. It's really not good to trade off right now. But what I told you in a previous video, that go watch my swing in UGAZ trading video, that I will tell you the likelihoods of price going up and down, and what you should do if and what you should react based on what price does. But well, I really see For example, here on DGAZ, we can see that here there was a previous resistance, and as you know, resistance now became support, and perhaps you can see that price going to kind of consolidate and try to go back, and then going to be rejected and pushed up. That's one scenario. Another scenario is that price has hit this kind of resistance and try to continue going up and then just hold off. Those are likelihood scenarios that we could encounter in some days. Another scenario is that price will continue to shoot up to this point here. What that means is that natural gas is going to continue to sell off. Those are the three scenarios that I see likely. Price going to a little bit more high and going down, go up to this point going down, or directly try to go down and go up. I don't see in the short term price going all the way back to here. I think it's insane, but it could happen. Look at this period. It pushed down insanely and recovered back to it as if nothing has happened. But well, just remember, you have to set up your trading station like this. Natural gas here. Natural gas here. And on this chart, you set up UGAZ or DGAZ or whatever you like. What it means is that you set up here what you're going to be watching price action of, and perhaps here you will say, yeah, look here. We have on the 20-day. We can see that price pushed down a lot on Friday, but well, we can see that here we had a previous support. Now it's going to be resistant. We also see here that this is the up channel, and perhaps it's going to go up and continue. What happened here? Continue going down, or perhaps it's going to go right back at it. So we don't know what's price going to do, but I would recommend you to wait, to hold off, and to wait on how the market reacts on Monday. We saw here an awful trading session for natural gas. It pushed up insanely here on Friday. It right when it opened to when it closed, we can see 6% going down, 8.5 in the lowest point, and that's insane with a lot of volume. So it's awful for natural gas. But perhaps now bulls come in right at it and make price go up on Monday, right back at it. So we don't know. It's not just mathematics that is 1 + 1 is 2. That's not how the stock market works. Stock markets, I believe that works around. I believe it works around like fundamental analysis on how the price is going to react based on real demand and offer. For example, if I don't know an oil rig or an oil pump or a company that has a lot of oil involvement just I don't know explode or go bankrupt, price will probably go up because demand will be the same and of the amount of oil that's offered, it's less. Here with natural gas, it's the same. If I don't know, like a company that is extracting and distributing gas just go bankrupt, price will probably go up. Not in the stock price of the company, but on natural gas as the future and as the commodity. However, if we see that a lot of companies start showing in the market, price will probably go down. And if we see that, I don't know, a lot of in the long term, I believe that this kind of commodities will go down. Eventually, oil and gas will go down because the humanity will abandon those kind of fuels. I think that it will all try to go around the solar and the the nuclear power, also the, the water, all the hydraulic centrals and all about that. But I think that it will mainly be about nuclear power and nuclear electricity. So I think that natural gas will go down eventually. Just see about, go to to your kitchen and see if you have if your oven is of gas or if it's about electricity. And if it's about electricity, you're going to be telling me, yeah, but electricity comes also from burning gas. Yeah, that's correct, but I think that from some years from now, the price will go down because the humanity will start to abandon those kind of methods. So, well, I'm not saying that you should buy DGAZ, because remember, DGAZ will go down also because of time. But I don't think that's a good opportunity to buy and hold commodities forever. With the stock market, I really see potential. For example, in a video I uploaded yesterday about Tesla, I think that Tesla is a really good company that you could argue, yeah, I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to sell the Tesla stocks in 40 years. And I'm going to say, yeah, that's awesome. That's probably a good option, a good choice. I think that you are going to be making lots of money. But if you tell me the same about commodity, if about oil or about gas or about any commodity in the that you could imagine, I don't know, yeah, any commodity, I think that it will go down. Well, any commodity, I believe I will say about the fuels, right? I don't think that, I don't know, lumber is going down. I think that it's from one perspective, perhaps lumber is going to go down because of the new offer about the artificial lumber that is going around. But also, I think that it will going to be scarcity of lumber and price will go up. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen. But for oil or natural gas, I'm not assuring you, but I'm 50 years from now, you'll see that they won't use them anymore, because they are not clean. They are not doing us any favor in terms of like the environment. And I think that they are really cheap now because there are lots of it. But for example, fuel, oil is going to it's going to suffer because we are using lots of fuel, and the inventory that we have, it's going down. The earth doesn't have infinite amounts of oil, so when oil starts falling off from our demand, I think that price will go up eventually, and companies will start changing their machines and everything that works from oil into electric ones, because if price is really high, it's not a good option to have machines that work right around oil. So they won't buy oil for the machines, and price will go down again, and I think that it's going to extinct. It's going to extinct at some point or another. The same as, I don't know, kerosene was a good option 200 years ago with all the lamps and about it. I think the price is going down for natural gas and oil in the long term. That's saying like 3, 4, 5 decades from now. But well, we don't have the certainty of anything. But we are not here to talk about fundamentals of oil, because oil is going down, but we can profit about it. We can profit in futures, but there are not futures of oil for 50 years from now. So, well, that's right about it. If you like this kind of video, analyzing fundamentals, analyzing kind of perspectives on how to trade oil and natural gas, please hit the like button, to help the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel. And well, also, if you like my content, just hit the like button and go watch my other videos. And if you have any doubt at all about any symbol, ticker symbol that you like me to analyze from the stock market, just let me know, and I will upload a video some days from your comments analyzing your ticker symbol. So if you like me to analyze, I don't know, Microsoft or whatever, just put it right down in the comments and I will analyze the ticker for you. So well, thanks for watching me, and see you in my next video.